So today I want to show you how I achieved the almond shape and the designs, just to make them simple and easy for you. So we are going to start by acrylic application on our nail. So we are going to start by applying the nail. So we are going to use the 2-bead method. So make sure that the upper part is flat to prevent making a line when you're shaping the nail. Next step, we are going to start by shaping our nail very well, molding it. Since we are not going to use a machine, we are going to use this filer to mold it so that the designs can fit on very well, like how you're seeing it there. So after filing, we are going to use the buffer to smoothen our nail very well before applying the design, as you're going to see. So here we start drawing our French. French is a very tricky design that you need to give time to perfect it and make it smooth, or what you can call round, to remove the corners that you may have made. So making it smooth takes some time, but to perfect what you want, you have to give in some time to do it well. So after drawing our French very well, we are going to apply top coat. So after applying the top coat, we are going to prepare our gel builder. So that's our gel builder that we are going to use to draw the design, as you're seeing there. So from now, I'll give you time to enjoy our design and see how we did it just in a few minutes.